Grand Canyon Gas Logs unveils its Charred series with our Arizona Weathered Oak Charred Collection. The Arizona Weathered Oak Charred Collection combines the detail and beauty from our native series and adds the extra dimension of an authentic charred look. Why do our logs look like they are burned in half? Because they were. Our log hunters hand-picked each of the logs and then burned the front logs right in half to capture the most realistic-looking charred set on the market. Like all logs manufactured by Grand Canyon Gas Logs, our logs are individually cast and hand-painted to perfection by our artists. Grand Canyon Gas Logs are found in America and made in America. Sitting comfortably on our two-burner system, the burner pan is filled with glowing embers, giving the look that our Arizona Weathered Oak charred logs were burned right in your fireplace. This simulated coal bed gives your house guests something to talk about time and time again. Available in sizes 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, there is sure to be a size that fits your residential or commercial needs. Arizona Weathered Oak charred logs. Come see what the industry is buzzing about. Log on to GrandCanyonGasLogs.com and see our whole array of indoor and outdoor products. Grand Canyon Gas Logs, real logs from real people.